What's up, everybody? It's your boy Larry with Sony, here to talk to you about another amazing product. Now, if you happen to be a content creator looking to take your production game to another level, hang out with me a little bit. Got something special for you. Now, one of the things I enjoy most about my job is I have the opportunity to try out exciting new product, just like this. Sony ZV-1, a camera designed specifically for the content creator. So whether you're an experienced superstar vlogger or an up-and-coming star like myself, either way, the ZV-1 will ensure that you're capturing the high-quality content that you're looking for. And one of my favorite features is called Product Showcase. So if you've ever seen any kind of content where someone's trying to hold up something and it won't stay in focus, they have to put their hand behind it because the camera doesn't know if it needs to focus on the object or focus on the face, well, the Product Showcase feature on the ZV-1 takes care of all of that. It knows exactly what to focus on, like right now. So I've switched to the ZV-1 because I want us to test the Product Showcase feature. Now I've got 3 different objects in 3 different sizes, so let's give them a test. Start with something easy. Notice how the camera quickly grabs focus on the box and then focuses on my face. Back to the box and back to my face. Now I told you we were going to start off simple. So let's up the ante a little bit and go with a slightly smaller object. See how it focuses the mug? And then now it's back on my face. Focus on the mug and then back on my face. Now you might be sitting at home not impressed with this, but let's see if this next one catches your attention. Notice the focus of the ZV-1 is remaining on my face, but the minute I hold the pin up, the focus completely changes. Even with my face still in frame, it's able to grab and focus completely on the pin. Pin goes away, focuses on my face. Pin returns, back to the pin. It's just like that. Now that's a lot of power packed into a small compact camera. So if you're a content creator looking to showcase your product, but not forget about showcasing yourself, the ZV-1 has exactly what it takes to get the job done. And there's so many other features that this camera has, but that's the one that stood out the most to me. As always, it's your boy Larry with Sony, and I'll catch you next time.